Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can disassemble a sketch in order for you to get multiple lines from the same sketch, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the Start, then Shape, then Generative Shape Design. You create a geometrical set, then you click on OK. You click on the XY plane, then Sketch. I'm gonna use the centered rectangle command to draw a rectangle like this. I'm gonna add here 100 millimeter. Then I'm gonna do the same thing here, 100 millimeter. Okay. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. So as you can see here, we have one sketch. Okay. Now, if you want to disassemble this sketch in order for you to get 4 lines, all that you need to do here is to go to Insert, then Operations, then you go and click on Disassemble, okay? Then you click on Sketch. As you can see here, you have all cells 4. You click here, then OK. Then you hide the sketch 1. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can disassemble a sketch in the Generative Shape Design workbench of CATIA. So as you can see, you have 4 lines. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.